We need to get this car ready to run.
Okay.
I want to run through a systems check right now.
All right.
I got here this morning at 6 o'clock. I wanted to beat everybody here. Started bolting up the rest of the exhaust system on it. That hadn't been done yet. Transmission, we had to put fluid in it. Motor needed its oil, antifreeze, power steering fluid. So we've got all those topped off for the initial start. Just got through making sure that all the clamps are tight for the hoses, so we're not going to start leaking. And right now it looks like all systems are go.
Before we start, you want to call the fire department again?
Don't need to call the fire department. We're going to have to take the door down and move it out to the shop. Let's see if it'll run.
Man, that started right up. Man, sounds good. Yeah!
One crank, boom, it starts, timing's on. Handful of guys in the world could do that.
I think there's quite a few guys in the world that can do that, actually.
You can say whatever you want, but that's damn good. You know it is.
Yeah, don't try to steal his thunder, man.
You want to see a timing light? It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. That's my timing light.
Well, your lights are going to go out one of these days.
Well, who's going to put them out?
Why don't you set the idle up?
Who's going to put them out? You?
Oh, Royal could.
You,
Josh
Yolanda?
You're
You?
a legend in your own mind.
You know what? 8 guys in the world could have done
could. Mark,
that.
there's a lot of people, but go ahead.
No, there's not.
Set the idle up.
Put the whole car together, the body, the paint, the interior, detail the suspension to OE specs,
Why
put all
don't,
the
I'll tell you what.
decals, upholstery, glass, everything, and it starts at the first hit.
Why don't the rest of it just go home? Why don't the rest of it just go home, okay? Want to shut it off?
Right.
Okay, are you guys okay?
Get you?
Not me.
Well, evidently the water level was low. We didn't check it after it started. Built up too much pressure and blew the upper radiator hose off. Daren got burnt. You want to go see if he's okay?
Yeah. Got my back. Dang it. That was hot, I tell you, man, that's hot. Glad it didn't get me in the face, really.
It started right up, but I don't think anybody was watching the water level, and it got a little bit hot and it blew the upper radiator hose off. And it's one of the things that can happen on a brand new motor like that, because the hoses haven't seated in, so they don't have a real good bite. Like it's fresh paint on the radiator, so it's a little slippery. But I think it'll be fine. I just want to neutralize this antifreeze off of here.
The past 20 minutes have been kind of chaotic. Nobody turned off the engine to check the water pressure, and the hose just completely blew off the radiator, and apparently it shot radiator fluid all over Daren's back.
Well, I just went to walk, just looking at the car, and the engine, as I walked past, I noticed it steaming out the, I don't know, somewhere in the radiator, and about that time, it just went, tweesh, blew hot water, boiling water out all over everything and everybody. That's like 7 or 8 feet, somewhere up to like 12 feet, I bet, didn't it? I mean...
It really sucks that Daren got burned, but I mean, the car started right up. Right as soon as Mark gave it a little bit of gas, and it turned right over. It's really cool. Mark didn't have to even mess with the timing at all. That's really awesome. But Daren's all right, and you know, we all got in the moment just a little bit too soon. So we'll get everything all fixed up and get it on out of here, and we'll be happy.
Sounds strong.
I think I'll take Royal's car.
I'm ready to go home. It's been a long day.
Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you, hit subscribe.